On June 15, 2024, a man under the influence of alcohol had a collision with a semi-truck. At first, he appears to be sober, but then blows double the limit during his sobriety test. Consequently, the suspect is arrested for operating a vehicle under the influence.
That guy was all the way over in that other lane.
Semi or the driver?
This driver right here. Did you talk to?
I just put the witness statement form. She should be filling it out now.
Hope you have a better day.
She's really shaken up, but other than that, I mean, basically the same thing. You want to tell this, my sergeant, exactly what happened?
Okay. Sure. So I was coming down the road, just driving like normal, and next thing I know, I look up and he's starting to swerve over into my lane, and I tried to swerve to the right to get out of the way to allow him a little bit more space to possibly miss me. I guess I couldn't get my trailer out fast enough, and he hit the back end of my trailer.
Okay. And I know it's going to seem like a dumb question.
Yeah.
You were going that way.
Right. No, it's okay.
I know. I have to ask.
Damn semi's doing the U's.
Yeah.
Well, I understand. No, yes,
Okay.
I was going that way.
So they just came over into your lane?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
That's the closest point here. Do you have your ID on you at all?
I don't. It's in the truck.
Okay.
I have a picture of it. But
No, that should be fine.
I need a phone number real quick, then I'm out of here.
I'm going to run down and see where the point of impact was. Okay. How far down?
I'm quite a ways down.
Okay.
Like, it's at least, I don't know.
Do you know where he hit you?
He hit me. It had to have been like about halfway between where
Okay.
we are now and where my truck is.
Okay.
Because where the tire is, we pulled it out of the road, but where the tire is, that's about where we got hit.
Where he hit? Okay.
Yeah, because
okay.
the tire fell off there. So.
Okay. I thought so. So he hit your trailer.
Yeah, he hit the back end of my trailer, like right where the wheel was at.
Okay.
And, oh, man, dude, I thought, the worst case scenario, I was like, he's got to be dead. I was like, there's no way.
Honestly, it's like, when I heard it come across, I'm like, oh, God.
Yeah, no,
So-
I was scared. I was like, dude, I just ran down here and I was like, are you okay? He's like, I'm fine. But he had blood dripping down his face.
Yeah.
I'm like, you
Okay.
don't look okay.
Okay. All right. Yep. Yep. Just finish that up. Take your time. I'm gonna get some more pictures, and
Okay.
I'm gonna head down that way. So.
Okay.
You have the camera. You have the camera.
He's gonna grab. I can see from that side angle. His eyes or whatever.
I can give you this here.
Did you call a tow yet?
Not yet. Did you take pictures of the car?
I took a bunch of pictures of the car. Yeah, I got the pictures of the car already done.
Cool.
I'll call a tow. He's got two flasks right there. I don't know if they've. But right there's the. Oh, jeez. I got the.
You got your light?
Yep.
I don't know how to.
Let me see. I kind of. I think that might be. Let's point it in the grass just in case.
Shine your light.
Right here. Should be able to push it out now. This way, I believe. Or it might be the other way. One of the ways. If not, dump. I think if you push this, it dumps the. I don't know. Hold on.
I will hold it. Here, come.
Oops. Hey, Sarge.
Do you know how to empty a revolver?
Yeah, give me a second.
I don't know
It's
about.
over here. I got the
Alright,
light.
you'll pop out the side.
Okay, so we were on.
That right there. Yep. Now pull the trigger back just a little bit. There'll be 2 clicks. The first one is the safety. Keep pulling. Right there. Now there's a slide right there, and you push that back, and that'll pop the round out. Right here, right at the bottom. Yep, that right there. See, just like that.
Oh.
Learn something new.
I used to ride Western a lot and do a lot of reenactments.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then you just
keep doing that?
now this barrel will spin since the hammer is half pulled back like that is. So you'll let go of that release,
Okay.
and you'll be able to spin the barrel.
Oh.
I thought it opened.
That's what I thought too.
Not all of them.
Really?
Nope.
Okay.
Newer ones will. Older models like this will not.
Did you guys get an inventory of the car?
As soon as I saw this firearm.
It's 22. They carry a retarded amount.
Yeah, I see that now.
2921
And then you just put pressure on the hammer, pull back on the trigger, and it will release.
Alrighty. I appreciate it.
No problem. Glad I can be it.
Do you have,
You get them all out.
yeah, I got them all out, Sarge. Alright, I'm gonna,
Put it on the back of the. Give me the ammo. I will throw the ammo in the center console.
alright, I'm gonna run it right now.
Here's the holster that it was in. Yeah, we'll just run it back there.
$72.42, $7,200. Break for a serial number on a Rough Rider 22 caliber. I believe it's going to be Victor 05713. Repeating, Victor 05713.
I thought they all just swung open. Go ahead.
That's clear, thank you.
That's clear as soon as they're done with me.
Here, I will let you write. I'll tell you what I see. Okay.
Okay.
Trigger. I already put the 22, the knives, and the whiskey glass.
You guys leaving the gun in the vehicle?
Yeah.
Yep.
Just making sure. So
It's unloaded. It's unloaded. Everything's it's unloaded. The knives are gonna stay. Nothing else really.
Okay.
Miscellaneous clothes. A sewer. There's a sewer, yeah. There's a sew machine back here.
Oh, a sewing. I thought you said sword.
No, that'd be funny though. Poker set.
Okay. Nice. Is it open?
Whiskey. Yeah, it's already been. Does that feel cold to the touch?
No, not
No,
really.
not really.
The suspect refused to go to the hospital and was taken to the local jail. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for